Welcome back and thank you so much for joining me. So we are going to be looking at LCM, which is lowest common multiple, and HCF, which is highest common factor. Now we use these with fractions and also to simplify. So to start off, if we are thinking about the lowest common multiple, so I could have 4 and I could have 5. What is the lowest common multiple of those numbers? Well, first I need to skip count because we know multiples is skip counting. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. I'll skip count now by 5 because that is what a multiple is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It says common. So common means the same. Lowest, the lowest number that is the same. So I can see at the moment that I have 20 on both is the lowest that is the same. So 20 will be the lowest common multiple. Let's look at highest common factor. I could look at eight and 20. So the first thing I want to think about is, what are the factors of 8? What can I divide 8 by? I can divide 8 by 8. I can divide 8 by 1. I can divide it by 2. And I can divide it by 4. Because 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 8 divided by 1 equals 8. And 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So they are all my factors. How about 20? I can divide 20 by itself and 1. 20 is even, so I can divide it by 2. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. I can divide it by 4. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Now, the highest common factor is 4. They both have 4. So how we apply this? For example, I said we use it with fractions. So if I have 8 over 20, I can divide both by 4 because that's the highest common factor. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. But we'll go into this more when we're talking about simplifying later on. But the highest common factor, we need to make sure we understand what a factor is to help us out. Hopefully that helps you out on understanding what lowest common multiple means and highest common factor means. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.